This Claude Code skill is going to make Claude Code look at your code base, look at your application, something you've built, and be critical about the user experience. It's also going to give you advice on what you can do to improve the user experience and actually have your product or app start actually selling. Now, this is a free GitHub Claude Code skill. Type UX in the comments and I'll send you the link. But basically what it is, if you look at the GitHub itself, you can see a little animation over here. It kind of tells you what you should be doing, like what's the most important thing you should do first with your project. It looks at your app like a skeptic. It says a Claude Code skill that stops being a yes man and becomes a product strategist. It reads your actual code, then hunts for the missing features. It actually looks around on the actual internet. It does web searches. It checks competitors to apps like the one you made. It looks for negative reviews that they have and checks if you have the same issues. So why does this exist? A person can ask an AI, how do I improve my app? And you get the same annoying generic checklist every time. Add dark mode, add onboarding tool, improve the button contrast. Useless. You've already thought of all of this, and it's a little bit annoying, to be honest. This skill is engineered to do the exact opposite. First, it reels your real app first. No guessing from the name, no generic filler. It runs your product through 7 generation lenses, so it actually spawns 7 unique agents which look at your app from different perspectives to surface the non-obvious, whatever's not obvious. It mines 1 to 3 star reviews of your real competitors to find validated unfilled needs, literally searches the internet for that. It hunts specifically for 100 times X ideas, changes that things that are going to make your product 100x better. Changes that move you up the value chain, not 5% polish. We're talking 100x. It kills own weak ideas with a rigor layer, so every survivor is grounded. So basically, even though it comes up with many changes, only some of them survive because there is actually a agent that actually critiques and says no for some of the ideas that the AI generates. And that way, this Claude Code skill can literally change the game for you. So when should you use it? When basically what would make this app better. If you ask that to Claude Code, you're not going to get the results you need. And this is going to make sure that you have a tool that actually works. Now, who built this? Who made this? Welcome, Your Honor. It was me. I created this GitHub skill. So make sure you follow me. I'm not just playing games here. I'm providing value. I want